wedding. Romeo.
Ano masasabi mo?
Super ganda. And bawat nilalakad parang mapapawaw ka talaga.
Papa Romeo save me.
Yeah.
Romeo save me.
Ganda. So, meron pa kaming time for tomorrow. So,
Yes, tonight we will just stroll
yeah.
here. Night stroll. Then bukas, dun maglilibot talaga yung mga...
Any mga tourist spot pa.
It's so romantic here.
Maganda sa...
Also very strong because when you dry out the grapes, they focus the sugar to wine. When you then integrate the wine,
We're just strolling, window shopping. Dessert again. Okay guys, so visit Verona now. Buongiorno, good morning, guten Morgen. And we're here in Castel Vecchio. Medyo hinihingal na ako. So, yeah. Ang tagal na rin since nakapunta ulit ako dito, mga 7 years ago.
7 years ago.
Yeah, 2019. So yeah, dyan ako. And baby's sleeping. Wow! Haling sumalta dyan. The river. Ciao Soliana, mapanood mo din ito someday. Hi guys! So we're having brunch here in Hosteria. It's a random and
No, and that is the new. That is
La Piazzetta. And the ambience here is so like in a old but in a
just a classic vibe.
classic vibe. Like aesthetic thing. So yeah. And here's my daughter, our daughter Soliana. So behave. Well behave. And yeah, nakapag-order na kami ng carbonara and with truffle, cacio e pepe. So yeah. Our brunch. Look at the plating. Oh. And my baby. Not yet. 6 months pa. Oh. And my baby. Not yet. 6 months pa. Romeo and Juliet na shop. And muna kami ng magnet. So yeah. We will right here.
Sì, poi magari le rosa o le cava
Oggi
la
è
signorina.
sorry, hindi ko makakita. Hindi pala yung ano. Okay. Oh, parang ano din. So many people here. Ito yung balcony. And tiramisu. So many love letters. Look at the fila. And we're gonna put our padlocks here in... Yeah. Super puno na dito. Today is January 31, 2006. What?
26.
2026 wala, sorry. Where? Where do you wanna put it?
Outside.
Here?
Yeah. Sa pinakataas na abot mo.
Okay.
Yan. Higit na ako. Higit na.
We will go upstairs to try the tiramisu of Julieta. Pwede mo kung iba yung lasa ng tiramisu ni Julieta. Yes. Wow, look. So we already bought tiramisu di Julieta. And here's the balcony. Yeah. Guys, nasa arena kami. So, medyo wrong timing kasi ginagawa siya. So, okay lang. So, tinitikman na namin yung tiramisu and so good. Masarap siya. Medyo pricey lang, pero ayun, for the experience lang din naman ang hamil ko.
For the
Ikaw?
picture lang talaga yun.
For the picture, for the experience.
Yeah,
Kasi,
very
hello, Romeo and Juliet. Juliana. Juliana. Ah, we're on a top. Wow! Look at the view. Show them how wonderful the beauty of Verona, the city of Romeo and Juliet. Thank you, William Shakespeare. Say good dito. Wow.
We're waiting for the sunset.
And?
And saan?
I don't know.
Sunset.
Yeah.
Sunset.
Sunset, then after that,
Medyo cloudy.
after that we will
Ano?
have some snacks or dinner.
Snack sa Starbucks. Yung chocolate.
We're hungry again. I want tiramisu and some pasta
We have a
again.
lot of food that we are craving.
Yeah. Hey! Look at the beautiful sun. So, Starbucks na kami and dito namin painumin ng milk sa Liana. Ciao sa Liana! We're in Starbucks Verona. Yeah. I ordered pistachio hot chocolate and how about you? Latte macchiato al gusto di pistachio. So we're same lang. Our night snack kami today. We ordered arancino. Ramen kami din. So guys, last day na namin sa Verona.
Hello.
Hello! And nasa Flego kami. Medyo pricey. Oo, ang ganda ng... Yup. Ang ganda. Ito yung favorite niya, Craft and Ride. Ito, try ko lang tong vegan something. Thank you.
Wait. Saan?
Lego.
Lego. Kala ko Lego sabi mo. Sa Lego.
Ang laki ng brain nila. Let's see how much.
Sana mura lang.
Nakita kami ditong store, Pinch of Pinoy. So, nagulat kami. Daanan. Pero, I wanna try din. Isa lang. Ube cappuccino. Yeah, nag-order kami ng taho. And, ay, ano ginagawa? And we're going to Giardino Giusti. Gusti? Giusti. Sorry for the pronuncia. Yan. Eat na. Ha.
Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah. The ones we keep.
In the garden. Unfortunately.
Here is a ticket.
Yeah.
For me, it's a bit too much.
Yeah. Pero, in the front, ang ganda niya eh.
And then
Para siyang Twilight vibe. So, hindi namin na nga lang inaasahan na may ticket.
free lang.
O, akala lang namin. Pero, maybe, there's a next time naman. So, order kami sa Amido. Thanks, Bae, for the recommendation. I ordered alio olio. Sa kanya, siyempre carbonara. Walang kasamang carbonara. Ito yung view namin.
The world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah.
Last day. Legit na last day na talaga. So, maybe dinner na namin to or snacks. Ay, hindi na ba? Sorry, medyo mata ko. So, nasa Asian street food kami. Oo. Nasa Nosh, tasty Asian rice na. Hi guys, it's our last day. So, I ordered fried chicken ramen. How about you? Yeah.
So, Korean fried chicken and corn dog.
And for our hotel. Grazie for la casa. Thank you, Vero.